Hello my doves, welcome to Afrodite by Olympia. Today's video is going to be a comparison of two shades. We are having a look at the Bobbi Brown bronzing powders, Dark 3 versus Deep 4. So if you want to find out how this goes on my face and how these two colours compare to each other, I suggest you keep watching.
From the top, drop that, yeah, feel the funk, y'all, yeah, feel the funk, y'all, yeah, you lay back in the cut, what's up, what's up?
Hi guys, so my name's Olympia. For my new subscribers, welcome to Afrodite by Olympia. If you're a returning subscriber, hello again. This video is a bronzer video. You know how I love my bronzer videos. You know it. You know it. So it's a little bit different. I'm going to be comparing two shades in one brand. One is Dark 3, which looks to be more of a reddy undertone. And then I've also got Deep 4, which is a bit more neutral. I'm not sure whether these will show up on my skin tone, but we are about to find out. So the Bobbi Brown bronzing powder retails for $69 AUD. I got these from the Bobbi Brown counter at Maya. Yes, Maya. Now, was it David Jones? I can't remember. I think it might be David Jones actually. Now it is a lightweight powder bronzer with a soft matte finish. It's not shimmering at all, and yeah, that's basically how it's described. So anyone who wants a natural looking beachy glow without the shimmer, this is the bronzer for you. I deliberately wanted to try, is it Dark 3, which has got the red undertones. You guys, if you've seen a bronzer video from me, you should know by now that I like a reddy undertone bronzer, but I'm gonna go ahead and use both of these. Now, I'm not gonna go too much into actual brushes themselves. I'll just explain which brush I'm using and why. Today, because it is a matte bronzer and I want more of like an overall kind of bronzy look. I don't want it to be too structured. It is daytime. I like a more structured bronzer normally. Every time, even during the day, but I thought I would give this a go as a soft kind of diffused bronzer look. So I'm going to zoom you guys in just so you can see everything quite clearly, and we're going to go ahead and demo one on one side and one on the other. Okay guys, I'm going to be using the It Cosmetics Airbrush Powder and Bronzer #1 brush on this side here. And then on the other, I'm going to be using the Real Techniques powder brush on this side. So kind of very similar diffuse brushes for a wash of color. I'm not going to bring it down to my cheeks all that much. I'm just going to kind of keep it to the perimeter of my face. So let's go into with Dark 3. This is the one that I want to use the most. You guys should have seen the swatches by now, but I'll just swatch it again. Ooh. So going in with the It Cosmetics brush. That's how much product I've picked up. Tap off the excess. Is it showing up? Yeah, I can see it building up now with that red coming through. Can you guys see that? No bronzer with bronzer. No bronzer with bronzer. I like it. It's giving me a nice bit of color. I'm gonna now do Deep 4. That's what it looks like there. I don't know if this will actually show up, guys. Just, it's above, that's deep 4, that's dark 3. Guys, I don't think it's doing overly much. I think it's actually going a bit grey. I think this shade is too light for me. Like, just too light for me. If I was wearing a little bit of a lighter foundation, I feel like it would have shown up. But yeah, deep 4 is not the one, sis. I'm gonna just gonna do like a side by side for you guys. So dark 3, I'm gonna put it over the top of this one here. I'm gonna try and chisel a little bit. This is the E48. I couldn't resist, guys. A chiseled bronzer is just what I want. My preferred. Alright, let me just go ahead and just finish the rest of this face, and I will be back for my final thoughts. Okay guys, I'm finished. I have bronzed and bronzed and bronzed. Okay. So the color deep 4, not deep enough, unfortunately. Yeah, disappointing. It looked so very promising, but no, does not suit me. I will put my foundation shades up on the screen for you guys, just as a shade comparison. So if you are any of the shades up on the screen or about there or deeper, the deep 4 by Bobbi Brown bronzing powder will not work on you. I felt like it was going grey, and it was getting that sheen to it, which meant that it was, yeah, not right. So yep, there's that. However, dark 3, I like it. It's a nice subtle red bronzer. So my Becca Maui Nights, which is my favorite bronzer, has a red undertone and it's on the glowy side, so it pulls way more of a punch. So if I'm wanting to do some bronzing that's still got that red undertone but is not as punchy, at least for me and my complexion, I will definitely be picking up Bobbi Brown Dark 3. It's got that hint of redness that I feel works on me. I mean, what do you think? Let me know down below, guys. You did see my shade comparisons. So yeah, those are my thoughts. I will say goodbye here, guys. Go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. And I will see you beauties on my next video. Take care.